have a Toyota here, 120,000 miles. Customer complaint is the vehicle. It's got a rough idle. Do you see a check engine light? Maintenance required. It feels like a misfire. Oh yeah. I took it to the old AutoZone and they said they need coils. So let's confirm that they need coils. It's a Corolla. Okay. Let's just do a generic scan. Okay, it's got one code. Okay, they were all completed. Cylinder 2, cylinder 2, cylinder 2. Okay. I think I can access the misfire data from generic, but we'll see. Nope. That's okay. Alright. I don't see a lot of Toyotas, which is a good thing. Ford and Chevy, you know, they make their vehicles to just purchase it and give it 3 year, 36,000 miles, and that's about as good as they are. They like to die or start to break down on you. Or there's a reason why you don't see a broken down Toyota. Smart key. What is a smart key? Sure, with the smart key. That key looks smart. 2014. There we go. All right. All that's clearing itself. So what we're going to do is, since they say it's these coil packs right here, if that is in fact the problem, we'll do a little switcheroo. If it's nothing more significant, then wow. There we go. It's not oil soaked or anything. This is cylinder 3, by the way, but yeah, there's no, you don't see any arc marks. There's cylinder 2, which looks, yeah, pretty much the same. Problem should be solved then. And now it's at cylinder 3. That was an easy diag. Alright, so now we're back with the part. This is the coil. I use FVP products, not a sponsor, but this is the UF596F, or just click the link down in the description. Made in Poland. Man, I remember, I hope I'm getting this right, but from when we left off, it was cylinder 2, but I moved it to 3. So we'll just 10 millimeter. Really simple, fairly cheap. They're not cheap. They're not as cheap as like spark plugs or anything, but yeah, they are. As far as new coil, they are cheap enough. And really, another thing you can do is, you know, while the engine's running, remove this wiring harness, start at number 1, and just listen and feel the engine. If you kill one and you get a little rumble, you know, then okay, leave that one alone. Did 2, and if I would have pulled out 2 and the engine stayed running how it was, then we know, well, if these 2 were the same, then yeah, this right here is probably your problem child. And then you got to figure out if it's the plug or the coil. But again, that's if you don't have a scan tool and you're just trying to, you know, throw parts at it. You know, you can online, you can order a couple $2 spark plug, or spend like $9 or $12 for a spark plug at the store, and then coil packs. I don't know how much these are in a store. I'm assuming expensive, $60, $70, but that's just a way to do it. But it's all still cheaper than a shop. So let's go verify that was made, that repair was done. While I boot that up, check this out. Listen to this. Turn on the fan. That blower motor sounds nasty. Okay. That doesn't matter though. That's not what we're here for. We're going to go ahead and get into Toyota. We're not going to go with generic. We're going to try to get and see if they have a Misfire section, which I'm sure they do. But I don't remember. You do, because you watched the previous part of this video. I haven't. So this takes usually 2 days to ship in if you want to save money, and it's been 2 days. So give me a minute. So they do not have a Misfire, unfortunately. Some do, and some makes it really nice. So let's live data. Sometimes it's under special functions too. So we'll just check live data real quick, then go back to special functions. I wish every vehicle was the same, but it's not. Especially when you work on so many different ones like you see on my channel, it's always different. All right, very nice. So it has it. So technically, if it's still misfiring, it should be on 3. Let's fire it up. Oh man, this thing is running so much smoother now. It still has the check engine lights, which is fine. We're not really concerned about that. What we want to look at is the numbers. And the numbers don't lie. We're at 0. Give it some gas. Oh yeah, she's purring now. All right, let's see what those codes are. And all the codes are is just, you know, it starts off cylinder 2, which we already had those, and then I moved it to 3, which gave us the P303, P0303, misfire detected. Those are history codes. And it says current right here. But let's clear them. Let's take it for a test drive, and I'll get back with you. All right, so after test drive, it went really well. So yeah, that's a quick fix. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.